Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about HydroNozzle. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Alright, a lot of you asked me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So the hydro nozzle is sold as a high-pressure washer attachment. The website claims it can clean patios, cars, driveways, you name it. It looks sleek, promises industrial-level power, and says it fits almost any standard garden hose. But here's the catch. When you check out the reviews on Trustpilot, it's kind of a mess. Tons of people are saying it's just a regular nozzle, no real pressure boost at all. Some mentioned it felt cheap, didn't work as shown in the ads, or that the spray was weak and disappointing. There are also complaints about slow shipping, no tracking information, and zero customer support. A few even said they never got their order at all. And the website? It's full of urgency tactics, countdowns, limited offers, pop-ups, and big discounts that feel a little too pushy. So is HydroNozzle worth it? Honestly, not really. It's a real product, but the performance doesn't match the promises. You're better off buying a trusted hose nozzle from your local store or a brand with solid reviews. Try the Hydro Nozzle yourself. Let us know if it worked for you or if it was a flop. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS reviews on trending products and gadgets.